Hello. Yes, yeah. So, oh, every day what I'm doing with the forex. So, I just want to share show you. Just okay, girl. In the morning, every in morning before I trade, I always test, draw and practice, and go to read the information. But actually, my techniques trading is not focused more fundamental. I focus on the graph, but sometimes I go to investing.com. Yes, investing.com, and also sometimes go to factory, forex factory. But forex factory mostly I go to on Thursday and Friday because that day is the new from US, maybe if US strong a week, and then we just focus for the forex factory, go to that new and go to read. And mostly when I'm trade on Friday, I always trade afternoon because when I knew and volatility and strong, so it's difficult to trade. But for Monday, sometimes Monday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, I'm not focus on fundamental because the market is not so strong. It's not so strong. We just focus on the graph. Yes, the graph. So my setup graph. Yes, my setups mostly I set up with the volume. I use with volumes. I'm used with the reactions mostly. I with reaction because reaction with real I can say let me remove it real it real reaction and also sometimes focus on volume. Yes, trade with volume because uh, when you use more indicators, it makes you feel complicated. So it's difficult to focus. So and find a new technique. Uh, Before I'm always sit on the screen and then trade, all because I'm new trader. I'm new trader, so I just the feel. So always buy and sell every time. Sometimes buy and sell and every time. But when they practice for a long time and then we understand that we should not trade and every position. We just focus on way out the plan and we make the plan. So what kind of the pattern that we would like to buy and sell? Just sometimes I focus on the volume. Yes, on volume. Yeah, my technique that I love is the symmetrical triangle, triangle pattern. Yes, triangle. It means I wait for the break. So when the triangles form, when the triangle form and volume is low, so we understand that when volume low and then that pattern it forms. So we be careful when the pattern it breaks and also volume it also break varies and downtrend and uptrend. It depends on and sometimes I wait for the volume for expand. Mostly I focus on volume expand. If volume is high and the price is high, so we focus on the buy sell climax. Yes, buy climax, something like that. because when volume is high, yes, when volume is high, and the expand and volume expand is so high. So we're looking for the buy clinic and for selling. Yes, and sometimes we play a short. We play a short. If we're not rushly to sell. We just sell a short a little, and then we wait for the spring low, a spring high. If the spring high that is enough, I mean we understand that the market is not going high. The market is not going high, so yes, so we can wait for the sell or take a shot. And also lows when for berries, when the market is go down, and before down the market it make a triangle, the symmetric triangle, yeah, do I say it correct? And it form, so below it is low. So when the market it break down and volume is getting high, volume is high, expand high, but it's not high enough. Volume just high and also expand. Remember, volume at low, volume lows, and then it's not that break the low, but if volume it break low or high, and then after that volume expand. After expand, and then we're looking for the price and the selling limit. It's not buying limit, it's selling limit. It's been to find the end of the selling. So before end of selling, we have we can say the point of support. The point of support, where is point support? When volume is break down and point support it happen. So we understand that when the point support up happen, and then we understand that the market moves a little or more, we don't know, but the market will move down to find of the support, and after support, and then the market go up a little for automatic rallies. I mean to tell that also market is now in of the selling. So the market will come down again a little to retest second support, to retest maybe one time, two time, it depends on situation. So when the market it ties down second support, maybe one time, two time, and then market will go high. So we understand that is the accumulation. So during that time, it volume is so high. Yes, volume is so high. So when volume is so high, we understand, okay, maybe market will go for the accumulation and maybe go back again, and high maybe will break for volumes high a little, and then volumes getting low. If volume getting low, it means the market it will go down a little. So when go a little, and then the volume expand. After volume expand, and then the price go up, it means that okay, now that's place that we are position. It means we are make a spring. It means the market make a spring low, and then after spring low, and then getting high. We have lack of support, something like that, lack support, and then it break the trend line. So we understand, okay, market go up. I just focus the price action that mostly I trade with the accumulation, and we looking for the price action is like that. Sometimes make short, sometimes make long, and sometimes I use the CCI and MACD, yes, MACD, to understand about direction conversion, because when the market go high and divergence is not hang high, divergence getting low, but the price going high. So we understand, oh, market is we're in, yes, to next one, then market will be down, because divergence I mean direct, I mean different projection, different projection and indicator. So in the divergence we use indicator. We have divergence, sorry, divergence indicator you will use with the stochastic, we use with CCI, we use MACD. It depends on you like, so which one that you like. So you just string and then to learn that. So if I just suggest you, if you anyone use the indicator, you should understand about the price and the indicator is different. It means divergence, conversion divergence. So if you understand that divergence, we have frame 5 minutes and 15 minutes, and so and also So if divergence is 5 minutes, it's not getting high. Back is not long. But if you get divergence on 1 hour, so be careful when divergence 1 hour. So the market will back and long. It depends on the frame, depends on the supply and demand. If the more supply, and then if supply strong, then demand, and then the market will down. But if demand it's strong and very strong, demand is strong, you can draw on the support and very strong of demand. So market it will go high and high if the break trend. So that is the just technique that little that I just observe and learn in practice. I get I got used to, and I think that is important. So I just suggest for a trader, if you trade in forex, more you focus and you stick in the price action, because price action is important. If you are only your indicator or your EA, I think it's not so good enough. But it depends on traders. Some traders they can use EA and they success. But for me, I'm price action. So I just use it with price action. So just like you and for everybody, and strong and successful with forex trading. So thank you so much.